Hello, this is Mr. Ankush Badange from Bhavans BP Vidya Mandir Koradi, Nagpur. And today I'll be sharing you knowledge regarding the career in sports. So, sports is an exciting, healthy pastime to many, but if sport is really one's passion, it can be a rewarding and satisfying career too. Sports helps in creating a holistic personality, healthy and stable body functions, maintaining hormone levels and higher immunity levels. Besides managing stress and depression, sports career include professional sports participation, training as well as establishment and running of facilities providing sports services. So we know what is the importance of sports in each and everyone's life. Beside playing at state, national and international level, a sports person can work as a coach, fitness instructor in the gym you have seen, umpire, referee or a sports commentator. A career in sports journalism and photography is also much sought after these days. Individual sports persons have become consultants in space. Other options open for career in sports are sports medicine, sports media, sports PR, professionals, and sports administrator and managers. In olden days, sports games participation were for enjoyment, satisfaction, entertainment, bravery, and reward. So, old traditional games are still played in India, like Jalakattu, which is played in South, especially in Tamil Nadu, and many sports are there which are still going on. Now, when you pass out 10th or 12th, if you want to pursue a career in sports, so what you should do? So first of all, there are two options. Either you can roll in physical education courses or other you can be in allied areas. So what is this physical education courses? We'll go through it. If you want to pursue your career in physical education, so you can go through DPEd and CPEd, that is Diploma in Physical Education and Certificate in Physical Education. Then for the undergraduate programs, that is BPE, that is Bachelor in Physical Education, that is a diploma course for 3 years. Then BPEd, that is for 2 years, which is a degree course, and the BSc in Physical Education. After that, in postgraduate programs, you can do MPEd and MPE, that is Masters in Physical Education program. After that, after clearing PG, you can go for research. You can enroll for MPhil, PhD, DLIT, and DSc. For that, you need to clear their entrance. Just like for medical, we are having NEET, and for engineering, we are having AIEEE. Okay. For similar, we are having some net set, which we need to clear for appearing for PhD. If you want to enroll for that, there are some top colleges in India of physical education. Lakshmi Bai National College of Physical Education, Trivandrum. These are all the colleges which will be giving you the diploma courses and the degree courses, including BPEd, BPE, MPEd, MPhil, PhD, whatever we have seen in the earlier slide. In the second number, there is Indira Gandhi Institute of Physical Education and Sports Science, New Delhi. Amity College of Physical Education and Sports Science, Noida. BPCA College of Physical Education, Mumbai. Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior. Chandrasekhar Agashe College of Physical Education, Pune. Jyotiba College of Physical Education, Nagpur. Ishwar Deshmukh College of Physical Education, Nagpur. So top two colleges are there of Nagpur, where you can pursue your career in sports. Now, this was the physical education courses through which we can go. But what are the allied areas? Now, sports management. If you've seen IPL, if you've seen ISL, if you've seen different Champions League tournaments, so they need a big team for managing the club, for managing everything, for managing the tournaments, events. So through which, if you go through sports management courses, you can learn about it. Sports sociology, where you can deal with the society with playing sports, sports tourism, sports journalism, yoga education, sports training, sports biomechanics, sports kinesiology, sports psychology, sports physiology, sports statistics, sports nutrition, sports anthropometry, sports biochemistry, sports medicine, measurement and evaluation. So these are the allied areas where you can focus, where you can learn what you have to achieve if you want to pursue a career in BP Ed or MP Ed, rather than that, you can prefer this kind of courses where it includes kinesiology, which deals with the human body, psychology with the sports player mental ability, physiology, statistics, nutrition. It plays an important role in today's athlete's life, sports medicine, anthropometry. So these are the different field which are open to all. We were knowing about only few things, but along with the state and nationals, we need to know that these are the different areas where we can learn, where we can study, and where we are having the opportunities. So different programs are there. United Nations have approved that 21st June should be celebrated as Yoga Day. So we are also having the yoga programs where we include diploma courses, certificate courses, yoga and yoga nature where PG programs, yoga therapy, yoga and diabetes, yoga and back pain, yoga and asthma and sinus, yoga and women related ailments, yoga and yogic diet, yoga and sports, first aid, yoga with alternative therapy, UG programs, BSc yoga natural cure, BSc yoga naturopathy, PG programs, MSc yoga therapy, MSc yoga and naturopathy, MA yoga. And for the research program, we are having MPhil and PhD. So we know that the role of yoga is much more important, where we are having lots of mental stress and less amount of physical activities. So for the person who are busy throughout the day can perform yoga for 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes in a day to keep themselves fit, to keep them physically and mentally fit. Another program is career in sports journalism. So when you see in the news channels, there are lots of sports journalists now as compared to earlier times, but they should have the knowledge of sports, fundamental skill of the game. They should know the rules and laws of the game in deep, statistics of the team and player, about the venue details, climatic condition, and their ability to analyze the match critically so that they can give a judgment or they can give analysis before the match that who are the key players of the team, the venue where they are playing the match, which team has won the maximum amount of match. So also they should have excellent writing skills and language proficiency and reporting. Management and other PG courses also include MBA. MBA in sports management, one of the most important courses. MTech sports technology, MTech sports psychology and sociology, MSc in MSc exercise, physiology and nutrition, PG diploma in sports management, MSc sports biomechanics and kinesiology, MA mass communication and sports journalism, PG diploma in sports and journalism, BMS, PGT therapeutic recreation. So these are kind of PG courses which are management courses. Most of the courses are management courses. Also, they are career in commentary. Now, without a commentator, you imagine a match, how it can be. So the commentator is a person who is very excellent in language proficiency, having a good voice. Also, they should have the fundamental skill of the game, rules, laws of the game, statistics of the team, and players. Career in officiating. Clearing officiating examination, both the theory and practical conducted by respective sports federation of both national and international level. We prefer most of the time players, but the most important part of the game is the referees, which play an important role. Also, the physical and mental fitness, rules and laws of the game, they should know it. Career in sports administration. In sports administration, they can hold the post of office bearers. They can be chief executive officer in any company, media manager, where you can establish academies. You can become a manager of the coaching academy or umpire academy. Now during the match, you have seen that lots of crowd is coming and you need to handle the players also, the ground conditions also. So you can become stadium in charge also. So these are the career in sports administration. Now opportunities in SAI, university, colleges and school after pursuing the degree. Either you can become a professor, either you can become a associate professor, assistant professor, director of physical education, deputy director, assistant director, sports officer in SAI, sports secretary, physical director, IIP, physical education teacher, physical training instructor, and part-time special teacher. So these are the opportunities. If you become a professor in college, you can teach your children. Also, you need to clear the entrance exam, that is NET and SET. Also, for becoming physical education KVS or different, they need to give the entrance. Similarly, for becoming sports officer or deputy director, assistant director, also you need to passive and clear the entrance exam for becoming the officer or any teacher or any professor if you want to become, to pursue a job in any of the school, colleges, or university. So thank you. I hope I have shared my knowledge with you. What are the opportunities you'll be getting in sports after pursuing the degree? Thank you. Have a great day ahead.